In this video, we are going to show you how to use Emergent AI for free. Now, when you sign up for Emergent AI and you've signed into your account, this is what you're going to see for the first time. Now, if you go to the upper right corner of your screen, this is going to be your profile. So if you click on it, this is going to be showing a small pop-up. And as you can see here, it says credits, right? So this is the free tier. That's why it says upgrade, right? But if you look at here on the right-hand side, it says 10. That means we have 10 credits, which we can use to create a simple app, a simple website. So how do we do this? All we need to do, again, you need to be logged in and you need to be having a fresh account to use it for free. Now, all we need to do is prompt something, say, I want you to create a very simple app for my laptop, which is a note-taking app. Source everything yourself and decide on how to go about the project without my intervention. Now, why do we want to do that? I don't know how to code, so I'm just going to say, hey, do everything yourself, and click send. Now it's going to just start creating the app or the website or whatever project you are going to create using the free tier. Now, do take note that you can't launch or deploy the app or the website if you're using the free tier. Just take note of that. But you can use Emergent to create something. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.